I hear a bird chirping up in the sky. I'd like to be free like that, spread my wings so high. I see the river flowing, water running by. I'd like to be that river, see what I might find. I feel the wind blowing, slowly changing time. I'd like to be that wind that swirl and shake the sky. I smell the flowers blooming, opening for spring. I'd like to be those flowers open to everything. I see the seasons change, the leaves, the snow and sun. I'd like to be those seasons made of Alnilam. I taste the living earth, the seeds that grow within. I'd like to be the girl, the home where life begins. I feel the moon rising, reaching into night. I'd like to be the moon, a knowing, glowing light. I know the silence as the world begins to wake. I'd like to be the silence as the morning breaks. I hear blood, hear the sky, feel the sun. I'd like to be